H, that stands for hedge funds. Hedge funds basically run the stock market. They are a group of managers in charge of making the richest people in the world more money through investments in the stock market. It's important to know who runs these funds and what decisions they're making every week or every quarter about the stocks that they want to invest in. If you notice them reducing the amount of money that they're investing in a stock that you're interested in, you may want to rethink making that investment. This is why I love using TD Ameritrade's LLC brokerage account, because they give me lots of details about how hedge funds are moving, what decisions they're making, and how recently they've done this. This helps me and will help you make smarter decisions that result in spreading the wealth to more than just the top 1%.